everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing another cleaning video, a clean with me after business travel video, for lack of a better word. I've been doing a lot of traveling lately, it seems, for business, so I just needed to get back into the house and get some spots cleaned up. This is our family room upstairs, and we recently had this room painted. My husband painted it, and we ripped up the carpeting and had some new carpet installed while I was gone. So everything when I got back was full of dust. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going to clean up and get things back to looking normal again. This is one of my favorite candles, and it's just from Walmart, and it's the hazelnut cream scent. It smells divine, and I just love to have it burning in the house while I'm cleaning. Now I'm moving on into my son's bedroom, our spare bedroom now. And again, we painted this and had the carpeting redone in here as well. As you can see, it's also the spot where we iron, and it was just a little bit of a disaster. So I decided to just get the room back together. He doesn't live with us anymore. He lives in a different city, but I like to have this ready in case guests show up. I decided to move the lamp over to this side of the room. It just looked a little better, so that's what I'm doing here, just giving it a quick dust up and putting it in place. And I think it looks much better over on this side of the room. Now this is a very old dresser from my husband's side of the family. It's really nice wood, but it's looking really beaten up. So I think this summer I just might give it a quick coat of paint, some chalk paint, and try to give it a new lease on life. Now I'm moving into our master bedroom. I'm not sure if he made the bed for the whole week, but we won't talk about that. So I'm just going to put the bed back together. Bedrooms always look so much better when a bed is made, don't they? I always have to make my bed every day. Not sure if the husband really cares while I'm gone, but I have to make the bed every day. What do you guys think? Do you love to make your bed every day? I'll even make it just before I get back into bed at night if I haven't made it in the morning, which is a rare occurrence.
I am made to be free.
So the products I'm using to dust and clean up the rooms are products that I found at our local Dollar Tree. For $1, they do a wonderful job, and I really do like this glass cleaner that they have. And then I'm using rags and some microfiber cloth rags and my e-cloth. I'll wet my e-cloth when I clean my fan, my ceiling fan, and give it a quick rub down as well. It's so funny how quickly that accumulates dust when it's not being used over the winter. So I'll just wet my e-cloth rag, my all-purpose cloth, and give it a quick wipe down.
Where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from was asking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me, 'cause I was made to be free.
Now with the KonMari method of tidying up, it's all the rage right now, but I've been folding our things like that for years. I discovered her a while ago, and I still do it in my husband's drawers, and it really does help to make things easier to find. Now all I'm going to do is start putting away some of the rest of the laundry, and of course my clothes from my business trip, which I had just unpacked and left on the floor. So now I just have to put those away in my closet. Here's a little tip I wanted to share with you guys. On this trip, I had forgotten to bring my slippers with me, and the hotel had these little slippers in the room. So I used them all week, and then I brought them home with the bag that they came in, and I plan to keep those in my suitcase so the next time I travel, I have them with me. I thought I'd just share that little tip with you. Vacuuming is now one of my favorite chores to do since I got this Dyson vacuum for Christmas. I love this thing. It just makes vacuuming so much easier and quicker, and I can't say enough good things about it. I just love this thing. One area I hadn't done in a while was in between the spindles on the stairs. So here I'm just going to take some of that dusting stuff from the Dollar Tree and just wipe down in between the spindles. And then I'll give my stairs a quick vacuum. Now I'm going to head into the kitchen and start getting that tidied up a little bit. When I got home yesterday, we just kind of left everything on the sink and on the counter, so now it's time to put stuff away and just get the kitchen a little bit tidied up. I'm not going to do a deep clean of my kitchen today. I'm still pretty tired. It was a rough travel day back from our work conference. So today I'm just doing a quick wipe down of the counters just to get them looking nice again, putting away, doing the dishes, putting them away, and just getting it somewhat respectable in the kitchen. So the one thing that I really look forward to after I've done some cleaning up is a cup of tea. So now I'm just going to put the kettle on and make myself one and put my feet up and relax for a little bit. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you'll think about giving it a thumbs up and maybe even think about subscribing before you exit on out. I'd love to have you join me each week. So until next time, guys, I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye!